Have you ever wondered whether it would be possible to customize glasses that adapt to your current product, or to extend your product line that matches the glasses you sell? I think you are right.
All right, sir.
It is possible, and we are here to help. Hello, I'm Mighty Miao, and I am the director of the digital marketing team. Many customers have asked us whether we could design the glasses based on their own products. As we mentioned, we are the company that provides one-stop service, which means we always help the customers in every way possible to ensure that they can meet all their business needs. In fact, we have already designed a number of sunglasses that match the design of a customer's other products. We even help clients to find the products that go with the glasses. There are a few examples. We have designed wooden sunglasses for our client who was also selling wooden watch, sports sunglasses for sports hairbands, children's sunglasses for hairpins, women's sunglasses for scarf, sunglasses for beach towel, women's sunglasses for hair clips, women's sunglasses for handbag. Why? Why is it important to design the glasses which correspond to your other products, or market your other products together with the glasses? First, it gives your brand a sense of identity, just like the way we conceive the wooden sunglasses for our client who sells the wooden watches as well. Second, it can be a gift to your client when they purchase your glasses. For example, we can sell the children's glasses with their hairpins or simple toys. Third, it's a great opportunity to sell the glasses by using a certain theme, maybe at a certain time. Perhaps the glasses with a Christmas theme along with any product with a Christmas theme. Fourth, it can help to give your glasses some class. Imagine the leopard printed sunglasses with a soft, gentle scarf designed the same print. Tell me if it's not cool or cannot get you to sell the glasses faster. Fifth, don't forget that it will help you to sell your glasses faster. As I have said earlier, and I will repeat it over and over again, our goal is to help you to become the best seller of eyewear. And we are confident because you will neither be the first nor the last eyewear seller who we have helped on our own to become the best. Welcome to Forever Eyewear, and welcome to Eyewear Home. For further information, you can contact us through our social media accounts. And don't forget to give us a like and subscribe our YouTube channel.